My name is Molly Hudash, or Miss Molly to you or your students. I'll be teaching Young Scientists and Engineers 5, which will be mostly earth and environmental science. And I'm also teaching MedBio 1, which is basically why is DNA important in the human body, and then getting into the circulatory system and the respiratory system. In terms of planning for fall, definitely want to keep in those interactive elements that I found with MedBio 3. Two particular labs, MedBio 3, were pretty awesome. We had motor memory, which was doing actually the same experiment. It's a famous psychology experiment with memory, tracing stars and writing MedBio 3 with your left hand, with your right hand, and with a mirror only. And then we had one where we did actual exercises and we were testing muscle fatigue. So definitely finding ways to make class fun and engaging and as interactive as possible, helping students get up and move around. I think that's something that I'm doing now that I will definitely try and do in the fall. In terms of difficulties with virtual learning, I definitely think that it's harder to keep kids engaged and keep kids focused. But I think that's why it's really important to me to keep a very upbeat and bubbly attitude, and definitely getting kids on their feet, getting them involved and actually engaged in the material. That's another reason why I really like to do the survey halfway through. And in those surveys that my students have been filling out, they've been indicating that they all feel that if they had a problem, they would be comfortable coming and talking to me. So I definitely like to check in with my students very regularly, almost every slide. Does this make sense? Is there something I could explain better? I want this to be something they look forward to. I want to be adding to their fun and adding to their lives, not making it more stressful or more difficult right now. I think if I were to nail it down to what my goal would be here, it's not to inspire all of these kids taking medical biology to be doctors. I care more about inspiring them to find the passion that they already have and telling them that they can do it if they want to. That's what I want them to get out of this, is that if they put in the work, they can do it. And there will be people around them that want to help them achieve their dreams.